Hey guys, what's up? It's Emma here, and today I have kind of a weird video for you guys. I'm working on a weird custom today of a Barbie doll.
With her even weirder sister.
With my even weirder sister. So anyways guys, this is the 2006 Blair doll from the 2006 movie 12 Dancing Princesses. Blair was my favorite character, and she was also my favorite doll, and as you guys can see, this doll is very, very played with. And I want to give her a new body and fix her up and make her look really nice and more current and possibly turn her into another character.
Okay guys, so this is where I come in. I have this purple top made to move doll, excuse me, she's unfocused, and I really liked her light complexion, and I knew that she'd be perfect for like one of our older dolls, like that had a very light complexion that broke, and she's pretty much just perfect for like what is the word, like reheading, I don't know. She's got a made to move body again, so she would be perfect for this custom in particularly, also because here I showed them the head. It's the exact same complexion as the doll. I mean, it's not exact, but here I'll move them closer. It's not exact. A test that is really effective is just putting the hand on the head, and that's close enough. So yeah, it's probably gonna work pretty well. And
I'm excited.
Yeah. I was just thinking, I see the brown streak. I'm like pointing gestures with doll. I see the brown streak. We're gonna soften her head so she'll be easier to take off. Hopefully we don't break the neck peg. I've watched some videos on how to fix it if we do, so here's hoping.
Just so you guys know, as my Froggy Stuff always says, that this of course is...
Oh no!
This of course could break your doll. It might not end well. We've done a lot of customs, so we're usually pretty comfortable with taking dolls' heads off. And also there are ways to fix the peg, but it's still really sketchy, so be careful when doing this at home.
Right.
So be careful.
So the next thing we're going to do is dunk her head in this warm water. It's not too hot. Don't leave them in there for too long because it could melt the glue in their head, which would make their hair fall out. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and dunk it in.
Okay guys, so now it is time to take off the head, and she's just warm enough, so this should be safe. So I'm going to give her brown eyes with this marker, which is washable, so if I don't want to keep it on or whatever, I don't have to. And basically, if I want to keep it permanently, I can use clear nail polish to just go over the eye a little bit and it'll stay. Okay guys, so I think this looks really nice. I love her with brown eyes. But she looks a little bit alien-like right now, so I'm going to give her a little white shine in her eyes using just some white, I don't know if you can see that, just some white paint, and then I'm going to seal it with some clear nail polish. Okay guys, so I'm going to be doing a little bit of white paint in the corner of her eyes, just like a little dot, and I'm going to be applying it with this needle. Okay guys, so now that she's on her made to move body and I have painted her eyes brown with a tiny little white shine in the corner, it's time to fix up her hair and give her some outfits. But first, let me tell you guys what I think the character is going to be. I've decided that I think this custom is going to be a Barbie made to move version of myself. I'm not sure what I'm going to use her for yet, but I think it's going to be really cool to have a character of me to use her whenever I want to. Maybe for like a channel intro or channel updates or little stop motions about me or whatever. I'm not really sure. I just think there's a lot of cool stuff that could happen with this doll. And so I'm going to dress her in some clothes that I think I would wear and fix up her hair the way I do. For those of you who don't know what I look like a lot like this. I have brown eyes and brown hair. However, my hair is it's dark like this, but it's a lot shorter. It's more here. I have really short curly hair. But I used to have it really long like this, and I don't know, a year ago, and then I cut it pretty short. But I did used to have it like this, and it was usually in a ponytail. So I think I can work with this. much for watching. This was a ton of fun to do. I've never done a custom like this before, and I really enjoy doing like custom tutorials and stuff. So hopefully you guys will see this doll again on my channels at some other point. I'm not really sure. But either way, thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.